If you're using a space heater to stay warm, you'll want to listen to this one. To avoid a tragedy, the Port Neches Fire Department says you've got to use them properly. Avoid plugging these portable heaters into extension cords. Even the power strips are a no-no. Instead, plug them directly into the wall socket and place the heater on a flat surface. Always monitor it when it's on and turn it off before bedtime. Chief Eloy Vega says he's responded to many fires caused by space heaters. He says it's essential to make sure nothing gets too close to one.
You want to keep a space of 3 feet clearance around it to prevent any accidental ignitions. Again, also we want to remind folks that if you have little ones or pets to just be careful, make sure that they don't get too close so that way they don't either hurt themselves or knock it over by accident.
Chief Vega suggests buying a heater with a thermostat and overheat protection that automatically turns off.